Hi, this is Dr. Antolak from thegentlendentist.com. We're in Shelby Township, Michigan, and our phone number is 586-247-3500. Because we're a full-service office, we do everything from dental implants to fixed, called hybrid dentures, to basically all different phases of dentistry. And we just finished up with Willie, and so we had a phenomenal result. And I just like Willie to just share some of his experiences being here and kind of what happened. I'm gonna let you take it away.
Okay. Hello, everyone. First, giving honor to God for all the things that He has bestowed upon my life. 2016, unfortunately, I was hit by a drunk driver and left for dead in a motorcycle accident. And about maybe 8 months to 9 months later, I found Dr. Antolak. And I came here to the general dentist because I had a broken jaw, as well as some other issues going on. But at the time, doctor had to remove all my teeth, and I didn't like that. But he did a wonderful job. Him and his staff, Rose, Shiloh, and what's her name? Becky and Maureen. Yeah,
And Maureen.
Maureen.
Yep.
So they did
And Lynn.
and
Lisa.
And Lisa. And they just did a phenomenal job quarterbacking this thing to get me to this small today that I am so proud of. And I thank God for Dr. Antolak, his staff, and the blessings that God has bestowed, the talent that he has. This man is phenomenal.
And don't forget Jessica.
Oh yeah, Jessica. Hey, look.
Yeah,
Great
you did a great job. And I used,
And you gotta give Rick a shout out
yeah,
too.
Rick
You
with
know.
Macomb Dental Ceramics. He's
Yes.
a local guy. He's only 4 miles from the practice, so we keep it in our area, and we just do some really phenomenal jobs. We're able to do that, and I really appreciate all your words of confidence. You're always a blessing to be with.
Man, God bless
And,
you, man. Ain't no talent.
Yeah,
You know
well,
what
I
I'm
appreciate that. Well, it's all the whole team that
Yeah,
does it.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
all right. Well, thank you very much. And